Did you know that the first successful test of the atomic bomb took place on July 16, 1945 in New Mexico? The atomic bomb is a powerful weapon that releases an enormous amount of energy in a very short time. The bomb works by splitting the nucleus of an atom, which releases a chain reaction of more atomic splits. This chain reaction releases a massive amount of energy in the form of an explosion. The atomic bomb developed by the United States during World War II was nicknamed Little Boy and Fat Man. Little Boy was dropped on the city of Hiroshima on August 6, 1945, while Fat Man was dropped on Nagasaki on August 9, 1945. These bombings resulted in the deaths of nearly 200,000 people, many of whom were civilians. The atomic bomb was a turning point in human history, as it was the first use of nuclear weapons in warfare. The bombings of Hiroshima and Nagasaki led to the end of World War II and the beginning of the nuclear age. The atomic bomb produces a tremendous amount of heat and light, releasing a blinding flash and a mushroom cloud. The impact of the atomic bomb can cause devastating damage to buildings and infrastructure within a radius of several miles. The atomic bomb's powerful shockwave can travel great distances, causing destruction and casualties even farther from the blast site. Some text goes here. Did you know that the atom bomb, also known as the atomic bomb, was first developed during World War II? Some text goes here. It is a powerful weapon that derives its destructive force from nuclear reactions. The explosion of an atom bomb releases an enormous amount of energy in the form of heat, light, and shockwaves. The first operational use of the atom bomb was in 1945, when the United States dropped 2 bombs on the Japanese cities of Hiroshima and Nagasaki. The bomb detonated over Hiroshima, instantly killing an estimated 70,000 people and causing widespread destruction. The Nagasaki bombing killed around 40,000 people and brought Japan's surrender, ending World War II. The destructive power of the atom bomb comes from a process called nuclear fission, where the nucleus of an atom is split into 2 smaller nuclei. This process releases a tremendous amount of energy, equivalent to millions of tons of TNT. The explosion of an atom bomb can create a fireball that reaches temperatures hotter than the sun's surface. The heat and shockwaves generated by the blast can cause extensive damage and injuries over a large area. The radiation produced by the explosion can have severe long-term effects on human health and the environment. The development and use of the atom bomb ushered in the nuclear age and a new era of warfare. The destructive potential of atomic weapons led to a tense arms race between superpowers during the Cold War. The United States, Russia, and other countries have since developed more advanced and powerful nuclear weapons. Today, the use of atom bombs in warfare is highly controversial, with many nations calling for complete disarmament. Several international treaties have been signed to limit the proliferation of nuclear weapons and promote nuclear non-proliferation. Since the bombings of Hiroshima and Nagasaki, there have been no attacks using atomic weapons in warfare. The bombings serve as a stark reminder of the devastating consequences of nuclear warfare. The threat of nuclear weapons remains a significant concern in international relations. Efforts continue to achieve global nuclear disarmament and prevent the use of atom bombs in the future. Understanding the history and science behind the atom bomb is crucial in shaping a peaceful future. By learning from the past, we can strive for a world free from the destructive power of nuclear weapons.